Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, look after. Look after something. To take care. Take care of something. Take care of it. Will you look after her? I will look after it. Can you look after it for me? Can you look after it for me? I have a plant that I have looked after for years. Yes, a very big aloe vera plant, yeah. I look after it carefully. 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 Yeah. Very good. Since when have they been looking after you? Yeah. They have been looking after it for years. Yeah. Looking after it for years. The little bird. As it's grown up. We looked after a lot of animals. Yeah. We looked after a lot of them. Yeah. They need to look after it. Yeah. They need to look after it and care for it. Very important. I am looking after the bird. Yes, the bird here, yeah. Yeah, the bird, yeah. I'm looking after the bird. I'm looking after it, taking care of it, feeding it, giving it water and beyond. You take care of it, yeah. I look after my books. They're in good condition. I look after my things. They're not damaged, not broken. I look after my things. They are not damaged or broken, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers, yeah. Do you know how to look after it? Do you know how to look after it? It will need special treatment if you look after it. Yeah, quite important. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So look after something, to take care of it, to care for something. Yeah. We will look after you. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use look after in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.